नवमी कक्षायाः संस्कृतसाहित्यम्। चतुर्थः पाठः कल्पतरुः। कल्पतरुः, द ट्री ऑफ डिजायर। प्रस्तुत पाठ वेताल पंचविंशति नामक कथा संग्रह से लिया गया है, जिसमें मनोरंजक एवं आश्चर्यजनक घटनाओं के माध्यम से जीवन मूल्यों का निरूपण किया गया है। इस कथा में जीमूतवाहन अपने पूर्वजों के काल से गृहोद्यान में आरोपित कल्प वृक्ष से सांसारिक द्रव्यों को न मांग कर संसार से प्राणियों के दुखों को दूर करने का वरदान मांगता है, क्योंकि धन तो पानी की लहर के समान चंचल है। केवल परोपकार ही इस संसार का सर्वोत्कृष्ट तथा चिरस्थायी तत्व है। The chapter has been adapted from Betal Panchavinshati. Betal Panchavinshati is a collection of tales, 25 tales, stories told by Betal. And particularly in this chapter, there is the story of Raja Jeemutavahana, who didn't beg, didn't want, didn't approach for wealth or prosperity from the Kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha, the tree of desires. Whatever you want, whatever you need, Kalpataru provides. Because Jeemutavahan was knowing very well that these things like wealth, prosperities are mortal, are temporary, but only helping others, doing favor, doing welfare to the people, to the society, is the only eternal and permanent thing. So let us go through the chapter. अस्ति हिमवान नाम सर्वरत्न भूमिर नगेन्द्रः। हिमवान, हिमालय, हिमः अस्य अस्ति इति हिमवान. So there is the king of the mountains and the treasure of all the gems, सर्वरत्न भूमि, नगेंद्र, पर्वतों का राजा, the king of mountains, named Himalaya. तस्य सानोरुपरि, सानोः उपरि, सानोरुपरि विसर्गस्य र, विसर्ग संधि. That means on the tip, on the peak, Sanu, mountain peak. So on the peak of that Himalaya, Vibhati Kanchanapurang Nama Nagaram. There is a city named Kanchanapur. तत्र जीमूतकेतुरिति श्रीमान विद्याधरपतिः वसति स्म. There is a king of divine bodies, Vidyadharapati, named Jeemutavahana, was ruling over the city Kanchanapuram. तस्य गृहोद्याने कूलक्रमागतः कल्पतरुः स्थितः. Kalpataruh Kalpavrikshyah, the tree of desire, was there in the courtyard of Jimutaketu. So Raja Jimutaketu Tang Kalpatarum Aradhya, worshipping that Kalpataru, the king Jimutaketu, Tat Prasadat, by the grace of that Kalpataru, Cha Bodhisattvangsha Sambhavam, Jimutavahanam Nama Putram Prapnot, got the son named Jimutavahana, who was considered to be an incarnation of Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva was also an incarnation of Bhagavan Buddha. So Mahan Danaviraha Sarva Bhutanukampi cha Abhavat. Now Jimutavahana was very kind and brave. There are 4 kinds of bravery in Sanskrit literature. They are called 4 heroes who fights with bravery is called Yuddhavira. He who gives without any hesitation is called Danavira, and he who shows kindness to the living beings is called Dayavira, and another is Dharmavira. He who performs such religious activities is called Dharmavira, like Yudhishthira. So tasya gunaihi prasannah स्वसचिवैश्च प्रेरितः राजा कालेन संप्राप्त यौवनं तं यौवराज्येऽभिषिक्तवान्. Jimutavahan was having so much good qualities. So due to his good qualities, being inspired, being advised by the ministers, by the trust members, Raja Jimutaketu coronated Jimutavahana on the post of Prince Yauvarajya. युवराज का पद यौवराज्य, द पोस्ट ऑफ प्रिंस. यौवराज्य स्थितः सः जिमुतवाहनः कदाचित् हितैषिभिः पितृमन्त्रिभिः उक्तः. Once Jimutavahana was said by the friends of his father and some good advisors, well-wishers, युवराज योयं सर्वकामदः कल्पतरुः तवोद्याने तिष्ठति. Whatever the kalpataru, the tree of desires, is there in the courtyard of your father, sa tava sada pujyah. You ought to worship that tree of desire. अस्मिन् अनुकूले स्थिते शक्रोपि नास्मान बाधितुं शक्नुयात् इति. अस्मिन् अनुकूले स्थिते, until the tree of desires, Kalpataru, is in favor of us, in our favor. Shakrah api, shakropi, visargasya u, a u o and then avagraha. The next a mingles with the uh, previous letter, that is o. Shakrupi. Shakraha अर्थात इंद्र. Indra, the king of deities, also cannot defeat us. Nasman badhitum shaknuyat. आकर्ण्यैतत् आकर्ण्य एतत् आकर्ण्यैतत् वृद्धि संधि. एतत् आकर्ण्य, listening to this. जीमुतवाहनः अंतरचिन्तयत्. जीमुतवाहन, thought internally. अहो बत ईदृशममरपादपं प्राप्यापि पूर्वैः पुरुषैरस्माकं तादृशं फलं किमपि नासादितं. किन्तु केवलं कैश्चिदेव कृपणैः कश्चिदपि अर्थोत्थितः. ईदृशम् अमरपादपम्. ईदृशम् अमरपादपम्. Divine tree like this. Prapya api, pakar bhi. Even despite getting such a divine tree, purvaihi purushaihi, asmakam purva purushaihi, that means by our forefathers, tadrasam phalam kimapi nasaditam, never gained such a grace, such a noble grace from this Kalpataru. But kintu kevalam kaishchideva kripanaihi, by some greedy persons, कश्चिदपि अर्थोत्थितः. अर्थः अर्थितः अर्थोत्थितः. अर्थः धनम, अर्थितः wanted, desire, needed. So some wealth only was wanted, begged from that Kalpataru by some greedy persons of our forefathers. Tadaham asmat manoratham abhishtam sadhayami iti. But I shall beg whatever I want for the subject, for the citizen, for the people from this Kalpataru. Evam alochya, thinking like this, saha piturantikam agachat. Pituhu antikam agachat. He went to his father. He came to his father. Agatya cha sukhamashinam pitaram ekante nyavedayat. And coming nearer to the father, who was sitting peacefully, nyavedayat, he beseeched, he prayed to his father, Tata, tvam tu janasi eva yadasmin sansara sagare yat asmin yadasmin. You know that asmin sansara sagare, in the sea, of this mortal society, on the planet, what is like a sea, like an ocean. Asariram idam sarvam dhanam vichivat chanchalam. Starting from our body, our physique, and up to wealth, the prosperities, everything is vichivat chanchalam. Vichi, waves on the sea, on the ocean. So all the wealths and prosperities including our body, our physique, and other uh, things like gems, jewelries, etc., are mortal, are temporary. They are dynamic like the waves on the sea. They appears for a few moments and then disappear. They never remain permanently. एकः परोपकार एव अस्मिन् संसारे अनश्वरः खंड अकार नश्वरः अर्थात अनश्वरः अर्थात दैट इज what is not mortal, that means that is immortal, eternal, universal, that is paropakara, doing welfare of others. यो युगांत पर्यंतम यशः प्रसूते, what gives you fame until the era ends. तदस्माभिरीदृशः कल्पतरुः किमर्थं न रक्षते, why is not this tree of desire being protected by us. यश्च पूर्वैरयं मम मम इति आग्रहेण रक्षितः, whatever was saved by our forefathers, those who we are considering this like mine. ते इदानीं कुत्र गताः, where had they been now, केषां तेषां कस्यायं of them whom this tree of desires belongs to, अस्य वा के ते, or else who amongst them is belonging to this tree of desires. तस्मात् परोपकारैक फल सिद्धये, परोपकार एक फल सिद्धये, परोपकारैक फल सिद्धये, to get the success of doing welfare of the society of other people, त्वदाज्ञया त्वत् आज्ञया त्वदाज्ञया, by your order, by your permission, इमं कल्पपादपम आराधयामि, I want to worship this kalpataru, kalpapadap, kalpavriksha, tree of desires. अथ पित्रा तथा इति अभ्यनुज्ञातः स जीमूतवाहनः कल्पतरुम् उपगम्य उवाच देव. Now being permitted by the father, Jeemutavahana going nearer to that Kalpataru, Uvacha said, Deva, O Lord, Tvaya asmata purvesam abhishtaha kamaha puritaha. You have fulfilled all the desires of our forefathers. Tanamameikam kamam puraya. And then you fulfill one of my desires. Kamam, desire. Yatha prithvim adaridrang pashyami. That I would see the entire earth, adaridram. What is not poor, that is called adaridram, arthat rich. You just fulfill one of my desires, that I would see the entire earth rich, prosperous, not poor. Tatha karotu deva. You do like this. Iti. Evam vadini Jeemutavahane When Jimutavahana said like this, त्यक्तस्त्वया एषोऽहं यातोऽस्मि इति वाक् तस्मात् तरोरुदभूत् तरोः उत अभूत् तरोरुदभूत् त्यक्तस्त्वया त्वया त्यक्तः being rescued, being independent, being freed by you. एषः अहं यातः अस्मि. I am going, being rescued by you. इति वाक् तस्मात् तरोः उदभूत्. This version, this voice came out from that taru vriksha, kalpataru, kalpa vriksha, the tree of desires. This is kalpataru. Jimutavahanah performs worship and beseeches praise to the Kalpataru for the welfare of all the living beings. And now, Kshanena sa Kalpataruh Divang Samutpatya Bhuvi Tatha Vasuni Avarsat. And now, within a moment, the tree of desires, the divine tree Kalpataru, went divam, to the space. Bhuvi tatha and Bhuvi tatha vasuni avarsat, showered wealth on the earth like this, in such a way, in such an amount, yatha na kopi durgata asit, that no one was poor. That means everyone on the earth became rich, became wealthy. Tatastasya jimutavahanasya sarva jivanukampaya sarvatra yasah prathitam. Tatah tasmat karanat. For this, due to this kind of activity, this kind of kindness of Jimutavahana to the living beings, to the creatures, Sarvatra Yasah Prathitam, his name and fame was spread everywhere on the planet. So, this much is there in this chapter, chapter 4, Kalpataruhu, and let us keep our discussion this much for today, and you have to do the exercises of this chapter. Thank you. धन्यवाद.